Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to apply to a job in Indeed app. So what you're going to have to do is simply open the Indeed app on your mobile phone. So as you can see, I'm using the browser version, but it's pretty similar to the mobile one. And then when you open the app, after you log into your account or create your new account, you're going to have the option to search for a job. So as you can see here, you have job title. You can search by keywords or company. So let's say you want to work at Apple, simply search for Apple, and then simply choose your city, or if you want to work remote, then simply click on search. And after that, you're going to see the company's profile, and here you can see all their open positions and the cities and everything. So as you can see, I've set up for your city, so simply click on it. Then you can see here the how much you're gonna to earn. Here you're gonna see your education, skill, and the job title, location, benefits, as you can see. And all you have to do is simply click on apply now, and then basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.